Good morning, Crime Nation. I'm Nicholas Garland.
And I am Parker Latour. This morning I opened my luggage to find orphan meat.
That's wonderful. Today's top story: Mr. Vigino was found in a studio with a trash can full of baby hands.
Along with the baby hands, Mr. Vigino was found in his studio playing patty cake with the hands.
His students were also found in his office, locked in there with a sledgehammer.
The students then repeatedly said in unison, "He made me do it."
He is now in jail.
Now introducing Leslie Withers. How are you, Leslie?
Leslie Hospital.
Okay. What did you do over the weekend, Leslie?
Weekend live hospital.
Leslie, what do you think about Tide Pods?
Blue, green, purple, white, yellow hospital.
Nick, how do you feel about this?
Well, Parker, there's only one word to describe this. Hospital.
Hospital.
Leslie! God damn it.